Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sai. Today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into Microsoft Word. To edit any PDF file in Microsoft Word, you have to convert. By default, you cannot convert or edit the PDF file. You can just select the text and copy and paste with Microsoft Word. Today I'll show you how to convert any PDF file including text and same the format which is in PDF. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open a web browser, any web browser in your Mac or Windows. Both method are same. You have to type PDF to Word converter. Just type this PDF to Word converter, and the official Acrobat site will be open. You have to find the official Acrobat site, just like this. Convert PDF to Word online for free. Acrobat. You have to click this link and log in or sign up with your Adobe account. It is free, it's not paid. You don't need to buy any subscription or purchase any tool. So after the login, this kind of window will be open. You have to select a file, which file you want to convert. I have this file and I want to convert it in Microsoft Word. So choose the convert format, which format you want to use. I want to docx and choose the language, which language you want to prefer. I'm selecting the English US. You can change the language. After this, you have to click on convert to docx. It will take a few moments to convert this PDF file into Microsoft Word. Now the file is ready. This file can be seen on web portal in the same window, or you can download it on your computer. Here you can see the converted file online, how it look, or you can download. I'm going to download this file on my Mac. Just click the download button. Allow to download this file. It's asking just for authentication. Now the file is downloaded, and go to the download folder by using go menu, find the converted file. Here is the converted file in docx. The file size has been changed. The actual size was I think 9 KB or 915 KB, but after the converting this file, the file size is 1.4 Mbps, 3.4 Mbps. Now you can open this file and you can see I can edit or see this file. It's same format which is in Acrobat. So I can be edit. For example, I'm going to edit or add some text, and same the text format and text size. I can change the text size as well. So this is the method. You can convert any PDF file into Microsoft Word for free. So you can change the images. Now it's done. So now we can convert this Microsoft Word file into PDF or create PDF of this file or of this edited file. You just have to edit or change this, then click on the file menu, click the save as button. This type of window will show up, and select the PDF or any other format which you prefer. Choose the file name and choose the location where you want to save this file. Click export button. It will ask the page size or some settings would you want to change. I'm going to continue same as it is. But you can change the margin or etc. I'm going to save. Now again go to go menu, then downloads. Here the edited PDF file, you can see here is the edited PDF file. So thank you for watching.